Okay, I can feel a sneeze coming on. Jesus. Oh God, my tissue's ill. Oh, a lockjaw. Jesus. Good Lord, Joe. Oh, my. My tissue is outside. But my phone is now charging up, so I disconnect it. Yeah, I disconnected my phone, okay. Because I need to go outside, because I'm, as usual, closing things down. My tissue is here somewhere. Oh, my cat's sitting on it. There you go, there's my tissue. That's what I mean. I'm never snotty. Now, Luca, okay. But, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I think my sneezing's finished. So, good night. Oh. No, is it finished? Is it finished? Normally when I do that, it's finished. I think it's finished. Love you all. Bye.